Hi, I'm Matt with Ohio Drone Repair, and this is a brief overview on the exterior functions of the DJI RC Plus 2. Let's get started. On the front of the device, we have two joysticks. These operate the drone. Below them, we have the left panel and the right panel of buttons. These change function depending on how you're operating the drone. To the left, we have the back button. Below that, we have the return to home button, and up top, we have the indicator. This just indicates whether or not you're connected and in control of the drone. On the right-hand side, we have the 5D directional pad, which is fully programmable, and on the top, we have the panic button. Above that, we have the photo button, and on the left-hand side, at the top, we have the record button and the flight mode. Beyond that, we have the three sliders. These control zoom, pan, and tilt. On the very back of the device, we have C1, C2, and C3. These are fully programmable, but naturally, they will just reorient the camera on the drone. On the very back, we have the panel for the battery and the 4G module. Below that, we have the micro SD card slot and the USB-C port for charging your device. On the very top, we have the HDMI slot and the USB-A slot, which is used for file transfer. Above that, we have the two antennae. These should be faced up and outward. You hear them click to know they're in place. We also have a kickstand on the back. On the very bottom right, we have the power button. It's one short and one long to turn it on.